or not, welcome back to my channel, guys. I can't ignore the fact that you are enjoying this very video, names of various names of God in Igbo language. Guys, you are enjoying this video so much, and it gives me so much joy and pleasure to know that some people still believe that God exists. Some people still believe that there are various names of God that when you mention things that are difficult to answer, He will begin to answer it. Do you know that way that you ask your daddy for something now and he refuses, and you kind of pet him, give him that sweet name, then he starts to answer that prayer. Just start to answer that request. Just the same way when you have a boyfriend, the same way when you have, just something like that. That is the same way God is. He wants you to give him that sweet name. That sweet name that when you call on him, he will answer your questions, he will answer all your problems immediately. You don't even need to kabash a lot. You don't need to kabash a lot. What you just need is to praise him. Praise him in different languages, praise him in different names. See, you mustn't praise him in English. No matter any language you praise him, he will hear, he will answer you because he's still the one who put that language in your mouth. So I'm very glad that you are enjoying this my video, and I can't wait to even throw more for you guys now. Echetobiesike, echetobiesike, diwanyisikpe, diwanyisikpe, omechara fancha, omechara fancha, ofuchara fancha, ofuchara fancha, ofuchere fancha, ofuchere fancha. Onye na-akpọ otu ugboro ọzọ ugboro asaa. Jesus, igwe. Somebody you call once, you answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One request. Onye a na-akpọ otu ugboro ọzọ ugboro asaa. Dike ndikerere, dike ndikere, ọ bụ dike ndikerere, ọ bụ dike ndikere o. Akwụchara n'ọgbụ, omenụkọ, idere na-ede, nna idere na-ede o, idere na-ede, idere na-ede o. Nwanne otu onye, nwanne otu onye, ọgaranya ngadanga, ọgaranya ngadanga, ọgaranya ngadanga. You can say mighty God in English. It means ọgaranya ngadanga, ọgaranya ngadanga. Nwanne otu onye, nwanne otu onye, ọdabere gbogbo ewuche ewucha, ọdabere gbogbo ewuche ewucha, ọdabere gbogbo ewuche ewucha. It means somebody that has been raining and is still raining. Somebody that has been raining and is still raining. Ọdabere gbogbo ewuchi ewucha. Nwanne otu onye, nwanne otu onye, nwanne otu onye, nwanne otu onye, nwanne otu onye. Omenụkọ, 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 omenụkọ. Guys, when you call him these sweet names, he will answer all your prayers. You don't even need to kabash a lot. You don't even need to say a lot. Just mentioning the names of the way accordingly, he will start to answer you. Guys, you don't know how happy I am to see the views on this video. Yes, I know when I did this video, it's quite a little bit long, yes, but the way YouTube is recommending it, see, when YouTube recommends your video, it means that the viewers are enjoying it. I'm so happy that you guys are enjoying it. Guys, make sure you drop in the comment section the kind of words you want me. And I'm going to throw the battle of this video. Like, I'll throw it back to back to back to back to back to back. Because if you keep giving him that name, he will keep answering you. He will keep doing the things you want him to do for you. Just kneel down and start praising him. Kneel down and start giving him names. Onye echetobiesike, nwanne otu onye, di nwaanyị isi ikpe, nwanne otu onye, ekwuchara fancha, omecha fancha, ọdawagbowe ewuche ewucha. Eze dike, eze dike, ebube dike, ebube dike, ekwu eme, ekwu eme. Guys, it's okay. I'm gonna come back with the part of this video. I just came to tell you guys, I'm seeing your views, I'm seeing your comments, I'm seeing your engagement, I'm seeing everything on this video. That is what I came to tell you guys. And I'm going to bring the part 2 of this video right on your doorstep because I can see that you guys are enjoying it so beautifully. Like the part 2 of this video is gonna be dropped. Abadike nikerere, Akwa dike dikere, akwa dike dikere, akwa dike dikere o. Awụchara n'ọgbụ, omenụkọ. Asị m idere na-ede, nna idere na-ede o. Nna idere na-ede, nna idere na-ede o. Omechara fancha, ofuchara fancha, ofuchara fancha, omechara fancha, ofuchara fancha, ofuchara fancha, omechara fancha, ofuchara fancha. Guys, I'm so excited that this video is getting the amount of views, the amount of relevance it's supposed to be getting. When I did this video, I didn't know this video was going to get me this amount of views. When I did this video, I didn't know people are going to engage on it very well. When I did this video, I didn't know it's going to get me all these subscribers. Guys, yes, you have to show where you belong. If you're an atheist, show where you belong. If you're a Christian, show where you belong. The way you claimed Christ, that is the same way Christ will claim you. And I'm very happy that you guys are enjoying this video in our native way, in our beautiful tongue, Igbo language. Guys, the main part 2 is coming through. This video is just a gratitude. I'm seeing you guys, I'm seeing the video, the comments, the performance of this video. And I'll see you guys first. I'll see you guys another later. You have a lovely day. Bye. Idere nede, na idere nede.